If an airline loses your baggage, they owe you money. A lot of passengers do not know about this and they don't even claim it because they don't know how to. When you check in your baggage, the airline becomes legally responsible for it. So if there's any loss, destruction, or damage to your baggage, the airline will bear responsibility once it is in their custody from that moment until when you collect it. But there's a condition. If there's an issue with the baggage itself, or there's a defect on it already, or something related to the material of your baggage, or probably the way you packed it, then any damage to that baggage will not be the responsibility of the airline. There is something you need to understand as a passenger boarding a flight. If your baggage does not arrive within 7 days, the law treats that baggage as permanently lost. And in that case, you can enforce a legal claim against the airline. While for international flights, it is 21 days. Now, if your baggage is delayed, the airline is also liable, except they can prove that they took reasonable measures in order to avoid that delay. If an airline loses your baggage, you are entitled to a set liability limit provided by law of up to $1,000. That is your enforceable right in court. Although, if at the time of check-in you declared a higher value of your baggage and you pay the additional fee, then the airline owes you that value which you've declared on your baggage and not the limit that has been set by law. Also, under the law, as a passenger, you have the right to have your baggage with you in the same flight. If for any reason, be it safety or security, the airline offloads your baggage, they must inform you about it. If they send your baggage onto the next available flight, they must inform you, they must deliver it to you, and they must also compensate you. For domestic flights, it is 10,000 naira, while for international flights, it is $170. So what do you do the moment you discover that your baggage is being delayed? Make sure you go to the airline's desk and file what is known as a property irregularity report. This is a standard procedure accepted by airlines as a formal complaint when it relates to delayed, destroyed, or lost baggage. Make sure that you get the reference number and keep it safe. Ensure to always follow up in writing because it changes everything about how the airline responds to you. It moves from a general customer service complaint to a legal claim. A lot of passengers lose money every day, not because the law doesn't protect them, but because they don't know what the law says. Now you do. I am CJ. I break down the law so that it works for you and not against you.